Why your voice matters in the AI age. In a world where machines can write a poem, paint portraits, and even compose music, one question remains: what makes your voice irreplaceable? Hey, this is Chuntianle. I'm from New Power Art, a place where music, hope, and tradition meet the future. Today, I want to remind you of something powerful. Your voice matters. Your creativity matters, especially now in the AI age. Yes, AI can do many things. It can analyze, it can predict, but it cannot feel the way you feel. It doesn't have childhood memories. It never loses someone it loves. It never stood on a stage, shared a song written from the soul. That's where you come in. That's where your art comes in. That's where New Power Art rise. Blending human emotion with technology, not replacing it. So keep creating. Write that poem. Sing that melody. Paint your truth. The world doesn't need perfection. The world needs you. Join us at New Power Art, where your voice meets the future and your story lead the song. Your story lead the song. Why your voice matter in the AI age? If this message inspire you, don't forget hit like, comment, write a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.